Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Sa atas ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., formal na pong binuo ang Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI sa bisa ng Executive Order No. 94. Ang layunin ng komisyon, ito ay magsasagawa ng malalim at walang kinikilingang investigasyon sa mga ulat ng katiwalian, maling paggamit ng pondo, at irregularidad sa mga flood control at iba pang proyektong pang-infrastruktura ng pamahalaan sa nakalipas na 10 taon. The Commission has been granted broad investigative powers, including the authority to issue subpoenas, recommend the filing of criminal or administrative cases, coordinate with prosecutorial and disciplinary bodies, and request relevant documents such as books, contracts, bank records, and other materials needed for its investigation upon proper request or representation to the appropriate authorities. To lead this task, the President has appointed individuals of proven competence, integrity, and deep familiarity with infrastructure, finance, and institutional reform. Rogelio Babe Singson, Commission Member. Mr. Singson brings decades of direct experience in both the planning and execution of major government infrastructure projects. Rosana A. Fajardo, Commission Member. Ms. Fajardo is a certified public accountant and currently the country managing partner of SGB and Company, the Philippines' largest professional services firm. She has over 3 decades of experience in auditing, internal controls, and risk management, especially in identifying weaknesses in financial systems and operational processes. Mayor Benji Magalong, a special advisor and who will act as investigator for the ICI. Mayor Magalong is a career law enforcement officer who served as Deputy Director General of the Philippine National Police and as former Director of Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG. He handled sensitive, high-impact investigations and helped lead institutional reforms in law enforcement through intelligence-driven forensic-based approaches. As mayor of Baguio City, he has continued to apply his strict standards of transparency and accountability in local governance.